Hi everybody! Today is January 13. Today is Wednesday, January 13. This is the homework for the pink paper, part 3. The pink paper, part 3. Look at the directions. Listen and circle the words you hear. Right? Listen and circle the words you hear. By the way, the words are different than the yellow book. Don't look in the yellow one. Different. Number 1. Sam. 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 For example, my friend's name is Sam. Sam. Circle one word, Sam. I will show you number 1 as example. Number 1, Sam. Right? Not same, S-A-M-E, S-A-M-E, right? Same. But number 1, Sam. Okay, like this. Number 2, circle one word. Lake. Lake. For example, Sam and Adam live by the lake. 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 Number 3, talk. Talk. For example, I always talk to my brothers on the phone. Talk. Number 3, talk. Number 4, late. 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 For example, Sam and Adam like to stay at the park late. Late. At night it is late. 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. It is late. Number 4, late. Number 5, came. Came. For example, Adam came to the U.S. 2 years ago. Came. Number 5, came. Number 6, start or start. Number 6, start or start. Same word. The meaning, for example, what time does the class start? The class starts at 6:15. Start or start. Okay. Good luck. Take a photo. Send it to Vic in WhatsApp. Okay. Send me a photo. Thank you. 2 more videos with the other part 4, part 5. Okay?